Ever since my injury, there's a lot of things that are difficult. Before I had Bridjit, getting out of the driveway just took a little longer. Just having to go slow, so I wasn't throwing around as much, but just being shaken back and forth and being uncomfortable. It's a lot more comfortable now that I have Bridjit. It doesn't shake me around so much when I'm in the car, and just kind of helps with the pain that I endure just going over a lot of bumps. So I would recommend Bridjit to people with special needs, just because of the mere fact that of the comfort of being able to transition in and out of the driveway. It's a lot less strenuous. I'd recommend Bridjit to everybody.